Hey everyone, Crypto Tony here, and this video is about our new release, LYFTOFF 2.0 and Afterburner 2.0. Hey guys, welcome back. I'm really excited today to introduce you to LYFTOFF 2.0 and LYFTOFF Afterburner 2.0. So let's jump right in. Before we get started, the first thing you need to do is remove LYFTOFF and LYFTOFF Afterburner, both versions, from your chart. And then once you've done that, refresh your screen. This will remove the old indicators from your invite-only scripts and add the new ones. The next thing I want you to do to get the best possible presentation is go to the Chart Settings tab. In here, we're going to change the color of the candles to match LYFTOFF's color palette so you get the best possible presentation. To do that, you're going to click on the color itself, the plus button, and then add the green color code 008000. Click the add button and the new green should appear. We're going to do the same thing for red. Click the plus button and add the color code FF0000, then click add. You should now have the new colors, and you're going to repeat this process for the wicks. After you've done that, I want you to deselect borders and then click OK. Now you should get the best possible presentation when you load LYFTOFF and LYFTOFF Afterburner. To load the indicators, go to the Indicators and Strategies tab, click the Invite Only scripts, and there you'll find our indicators. You can see I've got quite a lot here because we're always doing development. Let's start by adding LYFTOFF, and you'll see a new dialog box opens when you click on it. This is the Enable Dark Mode dialog box. So if you're using a dark color theme, like you see on my chart, then you want to keep this selected. If you're using a light color theme or a white chart, then you want to deselect this and then click Apply. Now let's close this and take a closer look at LYFTOFF. We can do so by going over here to the object tree, right click on LYFTOFF itself, and then click Settings. Straight away you can see that we've added all of these enable features. This allows you to customize your chart. In the past, you had to go through both the inputs and style menus to turn things on and off. Now you can simply do it here from the inputs menu by clicking Enable. For example, if I want to remove daily pivot points, you can see them on my chart here. I'm going to simply deselect Enable Daily Pivot Points. You can see they disappear from the chart, and then I click OK, and it will remain this way. So now everything can be controlled from the chart settings. You don't have to turn on and off individual labels to make changes now. It can all be done right here from the Inputs tab. Okay, next we're going to load LYFTOFF Afterburner. Again, go to the Indicators and Strategies tab, Invite Only, and there you'll find LYFTOFF Afterburner. Notice a new dialog box appears, and this is asking you what type of moving average configuration you want to use. If you're trading crypto, leave it set to crypto. If you trade stocks, select stocks. You can also turn all of them off if you so desire. I trade crypto, so that's what I'm going to use. Click the Apply button and the indicator will be loaded to your chart. When you go to the Settings menu, you'll see we've given you the ability to turn on and off the different signals in Afterburner the same as we've done in LYFTOFF. For example, if you don't use trend lines that much, these purple lines right here, you can turn them off by clicking on the Enable Auto Trend Lines, and you can see they've disappeared from the chart. And you can do this with Safe Signal and Super Safe as well. What is Super Safe? Well, that's our brand new signal. It's an addition to Safe Signal, which tells you when things are extremely bullish, and we've been able to do this by employing a strategy that no other indicator uses. We use the inverse chart to find out what's going on with the bears and then translating that information to the bullish chart. Super safe signals are these green triangles underneath the candles, and they mean that conditions are extremely bullish and you should either enter a trade, or if you're in the trade, don't sell. If I switch to the inverse chart, you can immediately see that these green triangles correspond to the warning signals and danger signals on the inverse chart. So here's the inverse chart, and you can see here are the warning signals. If we switch back over to the normal Bitcoin chart, you can see immediately that those warning signals for the bears are now appearing as bullish signals for the bulls. That's how SuperSafe works, and it's the only indicator available on the market that employs this strategy. It's a huge trading advantage because now you can see what's going on the bearish chart without having to flip back and forth. If this presentation is too cluttered for you, simply go to the settings and you can change the location of the triangles from below candles to the bottom of the screen, directly underneath the normal safe signal. Well guys, those are some of the major improvements we've made to LYFTOFF and LYFTOFF Afterburner. We really hope that you like these changes, so please leave us comments on this video and let us know how we're doing. Thanks for watching.